it's your girl Tiffany, back at you again with another video. And today, you guys, while we are on this, I have another kids treat video that you guys can do at home with your kids while we're on this, and it's gonna be how to make chocolate covered strawberries dipped in Fruity Pebbles. So let's jump into this video. Okay, you guys. So what you're going to need to do these Fruity Pebble strawberries are, you're going to need your strawberries first. And see, I have my strawberries here. I have already washed and dried them off. So I got my strawberries. You're going to need, you can use milk chocolate or you can use white chocolate. I'm choosing to use the milk chocolate because I like milk chocolate. But I'm using the milk chocolate morsels, but they also have them in vanilla, you guys. Or you can get the vanilla bark chocolate also. I got my measuring Pyrex glass here. I have some toothpicks that I'm going to be sticking into the strawberries while I dip them. I got a plastic bowl here. And then I just got my Wilton spoon. This is my drizzle spoon, you guys. But I'm going to be using it to stir my chocolate. And you're going to need your Fruity Pebbles. And I got my box of Fruity Pebbles here. So I'm going to grab me a pair of my handy dandy gloves. Just one moment, you guys. And no, I couldn't wait for my helper to do this video, you guys. So she's not going to be in it with me. But you guys will see her in more of my videos when this is over. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my Fruity Pebbles. And I am going to take my plastic bowl and I'm just going to pour some in there. And I'm trying to make this simple for you guys. Okay. And my Fruity Pebbles in here. Okay. So I got my Fruity Pebbles in the bowl. Move this chop out the way. Oh, you guys, I got my baking sheet that I'm using too, see, which I covered in wax paper. But right now, I'm going to take these strawberries. I'm going to take my toothpicks. I'm going to stick them in the top of my strawberries. And these are some large strawberries, you guys. These were actually the smallest ones that I could find inside the store. So I'm going to secure it by putting two of them, because these are some big strawberries. Some whoppers. Look at how big that strawberry is, you guys. So I'm going to double stick it. Okay. Now, when I dip them, I don't want them falling out, slipping off of the stick. Okay. See? Just put them in there to hold them. And then one more, you guys. Just gonna stick them in there. Here we go. See? And I'm holding them by the toothpicks for when I dip them. Okay, you guys. So now I am going to push this back. Pour me some morsels in my Pyrex glass. And because these are some big strawberries, I'm gonna melt like 2 cups of them. So I'll be back, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I have got my chocolate melted. And I got my Fruity Pebbles in the bowl. And I got my strawberries ready. So, what I'm going to do is take my strawberry. See, you guys? Take my strawberry. And I'm going to dip it. And you can wipe the excess off side of the glass. I'm going to bring it over to this bowl. Switch hands. Gotta switch hands, you guys. Okay. And I'm just going to cover it with these Fruity Pebbles. I'm going to go all the way around. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to dip it down in the bowl and get as many fruity pebbles on here as I can. And I'm going to set it on my tray. And I'm going to go on to the next one. Okay. So I'm going to dip my strawberry. Excess chocolate. Going to go up against the glass. You know what? Let me just slip on my other glove so I don't have to keep switching hands. Okay, I got on my other glove, you guys. I'm going to take it, sprinkle these Fruity Pebbles all around. I'm going to take it and just dip it around. Sit it down, on to the next one, you guys. Dip my strawberry, chocolate, wipe the excess off, bring it over to my Fruity Pebble bowl, go around it with Fruity Pebbles first before you dip it in the bowl. And then you can go ahead and just dip it so you can cover the rest of the strawberry. Okay. Dip one. Bring it over to my bowl. Cover it. Then I can go ahead and dip it. And last one, you guys. Dip my strawberry. The excess off. Bring it over to my bowl. Fruity Pebbles. Go around it. Then go ahead, just dip it on in. Here we go, you guys. And I will show you the final results. Okay, you guys, here are the finished Fruity Pebble covered strawberries. Chocolate covered Fruity Pebble strawberries. And they look good, you guys. So, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, I will party with you guys next time. Bye.